violent weekend in Chicago has left 11 people dead and 60 wounded in shootings across the city. Chicago Police Superintendent Gary McCarthy is addressing the issue as well as recently seized firearms at this hour.
Oh my God,
what is this? Look, ball like I'm cooking a mixtape, nigga. You gon' hear that a whole lot, nigga. I'm still killing shit, I might kill shit again, you know, look. I'm that same nigga from the gang where you tryna kill shit. I wanna buy my mama bigger home, put my niggas on and be still rich. You don't know nothing about that, cause you a fuck nigga, I'll do real shit. If you in the streets, gotta watch niggas shooting Glock, switching, they'll still snitch. Everybody finna feel this, I can't trust a soul nigga suspect. When I had no money, I was young, buddy, started counting commas, now you upset. What those niggas said when I was low budget, no buzz, out here doing nothing. Niggas let her bring up when they was around, back when you was down, now you studying. Fuck niggas, I don't fuck with niggas, all my niggas know what's up. No limit, MB 150 Dream Team, we the game, free the game. RP my niggas, it won't never be the same. I'ma jump in the game for the dollars, LO with money, don't need the fame. I'm riding and smoking and speeding and sipping on codeine to ease my pain. I'm honest, I tell everybody they know that I need the lane. Fly nigga, I stay in designer, laced up in Paris and Italy. Foreign belt holding my robbers, filled up with all of these Benjamins. Young nigga, I came from the bottom, they ask nobody for anything. I grinded my way to the top and no, I don't owe no nigga anything. And when I get out of the game, fuck nigga, you better remember me. Pour 60 to drink and find in my cup, I'm more darker than Hennessy. Weapon is on me for all of my enemies. Go get you some money, little nigga, don't know why you envy me. I'm get to the K, don't got time for no silly beats. 150s take all of my energy.